All right, now to an update on a story that we have been following for months. The woman charged in connection with the Waterbury captivity case is set to be in court today.
Yeah, this all started with a house fire back in February that prosecutors say was an escape attempt. So video is right here from that night in Waterbury, and police say that it shows that those first responders carrying a man who now goes by S, and prosecutors say that he lit that fire. The people who carried him out say that he weighed 68 pounds at the time, and prosecutors accuse Kimberly Sullivan, his stepmother, of holding him against his will for 20 years.
Let's get to NBC Connecticut's Julia LeBlanc now, who is live outside the Waterbury courthouse. So, Julia, what prompted today's hearing?
Hi, good morning to you. Well, this is all part of the pre-trial process, but we are expected to learn today more about several motions that were filed by either side here, both the prosecution and the defense in this case. Now, the 57-year-old Kimberly Sullivan is facing a slew of charges here, including kidnapping, first and second degree assault, unlawful restraint, and cruelty to persons and reckless endangerment. She was arrested back in March, and she's been out on a $300,000 bond ever since. To this day, Sullivan has denied all claims against her. Now, today we are expecting her attorney to bring up two motions. One calls for changes to the protective order, which prohibits her from returning back to the Blake Street home where all of this allegedly happened. But her attorney says her accuser doesn't live there and she should be able to grab her things. The second request is to remove her GPS tracker. Now, Sullivan's attorney argues that she's not a flight risk and the restrictions are, quote, unnecessarily burdensome. Now, there's also a motion filed by the state here that's still up in the air, where they've requested to conceal S's medical records and his new name to protect him. Now, back out here live, all of this happening here at the Waterbury Courthouse today, later today. We will be there and we will bring you all the updates. For now, we're live in Waterbury. Julia LeBlanc, NBC Connecticut News.
All right, Julia, thank you for the very latest on that story.